Hey, what's up, XRP holders? So after a long time, XRP price is fastly, continuously, very badly falls down. This is an emergency update for all XRP holder. You know why this is an emergency? Because my friend, the price is completely, you can see this time very badly falls down. So I'm so sad and I'm so angry also because I'm also holder of this coin. So before I predicate this coin, before I share my opinion, before I do technical analysis, please like this video and subscribe this channel. Please subscribe this channel, appreciating my brother. So you can see this time the last change 1 hour, the last, first of all, you can see the update is just an only positive, and it's a reason, my friends, that this is positive because my brother, every cryptocurrency after a big dump, they take a jump. So therefore, my brother, I think this is just, my friends, for a short time jump. I hope after and the next, my brother, they will move upward, but this time you can see they take a short jump, short fail. So you can see this time the price update 0.81 USD dollar. The price is very badly falls down now. So last 24 hours, you can see here this time volume as 1.9 million and available supply, you can see here 46 million. So it's mean, my brothers, to XRP is completely, my brothers, fails down from previous days. And what's the main reasons I will tell you, but kindly, my holder, please try to understand. To if a holder starting selling, then this coin price is going to be very cheap now, and this is very badly, my brothers. So you can see this time XRP is fails down from last 7 days, just in only last 7 days. So it's mean, my brothers, to in last 7 days, especially short-term investors, they're starting selling. So therefore this coin is going to be garbage now. So if we check out last 7 day chart, you can see at this time absolutely I am right. You can see this coin is completely falls down. So I already tell you, my brothers, to in last 7 days this falls down because, my brother, there are two main reasons to they falls down. The first reason is that to short-term investor they're starting selling. The second reason is that, my brothers, to this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrency fails down in the start of month. So I hope, my friend, after a mid of this month they will go in the moon now, and they will give you very good profit now. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.